Hello, teacher.
Hi, Kat. Good evening. Just wait a minute, okay? Okay. So let us go to task 3 tonight. Kan, you were done with task 2 last time, right? Okay, Kan, do you see my screen now?
Oh, ganito, dira.
Sorry for that one.
You and my...
Sorry. What's this? Can you see my screen?
Oh, yes.
Okay. So for tonight, we will be going to begin on how to pronounce the letter S. Okay?
Okay.
So, ready? Look at the screen and I want you to read the plural forms. Okay? Plural nouns.
The pronouns verb in third person. The pronunciation
Pronunciation.
of words ending in S depends on the final consonant. So
Sound.
there are three ways to pronounce the S.
So there are 3 ways. First, it is sibilant or the is sound. Next is the voice, which is it's not vibrated in your throat. And the last one is the Z sound. Okay?
Okay.
So what is sibilant sound? What is sibilant sound?
Sibilant sound, a hissing or buzzing sound.
Okay, a buzzing sound. It means there is Z sound. Okay? So these are words that ends with CE, S, X, Z, double S, CH, H, and GE. Okay, Kan? Kan?
Okay.
Alright, so I want you to
Okay.
listen and repeat after me. So, for example, the word is raises. Okay? Raises. Where are you going? Just tell me once you are fine. Okay, ready, Kan? Your camera look like this. Kan, your camera. It's opposite. Can you do? Kan, your camera is. Can you fix like
Okay.
and repeat after me? Races,
Raisins,
buses,
castles,
box,
houses,
pieces,
uh, kisses,
watches,
washes,
dishes.
dishes.
That's it. Okay. Changes.
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 Changes. Can? Changes.
Changes.
Okay. Now, for the S sound, this is voiceless. Means you cannot feel any vibration in your throat. So, voice sound, please aloud.
A user photo posts
Uses.
and it products a vibration or humming sound in the throat.
Okay, so for example,
Sleeves, books,
mm,
clips, graphs,
myth,
mice,
myth.
with
Okay, yeah. Okay, this one is voice. So read it aloud.
graphs, words, fast, news, reels, facts, things, words, loss, place.
All right, so that's the three sound of S. Now, for task you are going to listen and repeat these third person singular forms. Pay attention to the sound of the endings. Listen very carefully, okay?
Lesson 1B, Exercise 7. A.
Knows, loves, visits, works,
B.
finishes, washes, uses,
Okay, Can. Listen and repeat the third person singular verb forms. Pay attention to the endings. Okay, I want you to read it aloud.
Nouns, loves, visits,
Visits.
walk, visits, walks,
Next.
finishes,
Mhm.
washes,
And
you,
uses.
uses.
Alright. Here. For task 4, you will be going to listen and repeat these third person singular verb. Do they have endings A or B? So you will be going to identify, okay?
Okay,
Mm. So you will be going to identify, like for example, if the sound for the letter A belongs to Z or S or the is sound. Okay?
okay.
So teacher will play the audio for 2 times. Listen very carefully and choose your answer.
Lesson 1B, Exercise 8.
Comes, dances, goes, likes, lives, shares, teaches, watches,
Kan, I am going to play the audio one more time. Choose your answer. Okay. But if you are not
Okay.
yet, yeah, if you are not yet sure with your answers, you can play one more time the audio. Okay?
Okay.
Right. Listen.
Lesson 1B, Exercise 8.
comes, dances, goes, likes, lives, shares, teaches, watches.
Okay, did you find your answers already, Kan?
Okay.
Did you?
Comes A.
Okay, comes. Wait, let me note your answer. Okay? So let me note your answer. For comes, that's letter A, right?
I.
Okay, A. What about for the next word?
B. B.
Okay, that's letter B. Dances, goes,
I.
A. Likes,
I.
A. What about for lives,
A.
shares,
A.
A.
B.
Okay. B. Teaches and then watches.
B.
B. Okay, let's see if your answers are correct. So words that belongs to letter A, can please read it aloud.
Comes. Goes. Lands. Leaves. Stairs.
Okay, shares. All your answers are correct for letter A. Now for the letter B, please read it aloud.
Dances.
Dances again.
Teaches.
Again, dear. Dances.
Dances.
And then and the next word.
Teaches.
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 And then the next one is
Watches.
watches. Okay. So all your answers are correct. Now for task 5, you are going to make these sentences negative. So example, my aunt works in London. The answer is can.
My, my aunt doesn't work in London.
Okay, so write your answer below after the number. You can tell me if you are done. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Your time starts now. All right, Kan, are you done?
Yes.
Okay, now you can tell me your answer. I will be the one to read the given sentence, and you will be the one to tell me the answer in a negative form. Okay? Kan?
Okay.
All right. So number
Okay.
two. Number I like rap music.
I don't like rap music.
Okay. My cousins Emma and Zoe speak Spanish.
Mm, my cousin Emma and so don't speak Spanish.
Okay. So, correct. Now, my stepbrother Nick plays in volleyball team.
My stepbrother Nick plays in a volleyball team.
Up.
No. My stepbrother Nick doesn't play in a volleyball team.
All right. That is correct. Joe and I walk to school.
Um, Zoe and I don't walk to school.
Okay. And you study Chinese.
You don't study Chinese.
You don't study Chinese. Okay, very good, Kan. Now for task 6, write the words in the correct order to make questions. You need to add do or does. Your time starts now. Kan, just tell me once you are done, okay? Are you finished? Yes, you are? Done? Okay, number 1. Tell me your answer. Oh, I cannot hear you very clearly, Kan. I don't know what's wrong. Your voice is very, very small. Kan, okay. One more time. I cannot hear you. Again.
Do you live near the school?
Okay, correct. Number 2.
Do your best friend like football?
Wrong. That is, does your best friend like football? Okay, that is possessive pronoun your. It's not you. Okay? It's talking about you. You're only one. Okay, number 3.
Do your parents
Again, again, Ka, that's your. It's not you. It's your.
die um, um,
What is your final answer for number 3?
do your parents
Louder, please.
do your parents homework?
Okay, let's see. Okay. All right, Kan. So, the correct answer is, do your parents both work? Okay. So, your first answer a while ago is correct. Okay. Since this one is plural, so you need to use do. Okay. Okay. Number 4.
You and your friends go out on Friday evening.
Kan?
You are a, do you and your friends go out on Friday evening?
Okay, correct. What about for number 5?
Um, do your work is to school?
Okay, very good. That is correct. No question?
No.
Okay. Now for task 7, Kan, you are going to write true sentences about yourself. Use present simple affirmative or negative in the phrases below. So for example, we see there. Please read it aloud.
And
Example, I don't.
get up on Saturday.
My dear, I cannot hear you clearly because it's there's a little bit of noise. Okay. Wow, so many mosquitoes. Okay, Kan. Now tell me about yourself. There's noise. Like grr, 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 like that.
I don't play ice hockey.
Okay, Kan. What else? What about walk to school every day? Use it in a sentence about yourself.
Uh, I don't.
Oh my God. Okay, it's gone. You can talk now.
I walk to school every day.
Every day? So your school is near at your house?
No, yes.
Okay. So it's true. What about number 4?
I use computer at school.
Correct. Okay, number 5.
I don't watch TV every evening.
Every
Evening.
every evening. Every evening.
Every evening.
Okay. What about 6?
Uh, uh,
Argue a lot.
I I don't do a lot with my friends.
Okay. What about number 7?
I do speak French.
Number 8?
Uh, I don't like dancing.
Number 9?
I do a lot of homework at weekends.
Okay. That's it. So everything is true about yourself. Now let's have next unit since you were done with 2A, 1A rather. Now let's talk about the spelling and pronunciation. So, I can distinguish between words with very similar sounds in them. Okay, so the focus of it is your listening skills. So please read it aloud. Can.
Cook dinner.
Another one.
Do the ironing.
Irony. Okay, do you know what are those actions? Okay,
Um,
understood? Okay,
do the washing.
okay.
Unlock, unlock.
Unload.
The unload
Yeah.
the washer.
Okay, dishwasher. Next words are
Tidy my bedroom.
and
Set the table.
okay, save the table. Next, for task 1, you are going to look at the photo of the Radford family. What is the relationship between the people, do you think? What do you think?
Um, I think they are family.
They are family? Okay, I think you're right. Okay, they are a family. Okay, this one. Here, for task 2, you are going to read the text and answer the question. Okay, so the question are these, but read the text first before you are going to answer the questions. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Do you want to read it aloud or silently? Ka-
Okay.
do you want to read it with your eyes or you want to read it aloud?
Um, no.
Okay, ready?
Yes.
Okay. What's the title? Kan, what's the title?
Um,
What's the title? A Day in the...
A Day in the Life of the Radford Family. Saul and Noel Radford lived in a very big house in Morecambe in the north of England. The house is big because they have got 19 children. Their oldest child is
Child. 28.
28, and the youngest is just a baby. The day start at 4 a.m. when Noel Packer goes to work. 2 hours later, he comes
Hours.
2 hours later, he comes home and he wakes up the children. So prepares breakfast and makes a travel pack
No, that's packed.
pack lunches. After breakfast, Noel takes the children to school. In a minibus, Noel goes back to the bakery with his eldest daughter, Sophia. She was 3 too. They too. Then Sue starts on the homework. She loads the dishwasher, cleans the house, and does the washing 9 times a day. After lunch, she goes to the supermarket and she does ironing. When Noel gets home at 5 p.m., he cooks dinner and the children set the table. After dinner, Sue helps the children with their homework. The day ends at 10 p.m. when all the children go to bed.
Okay, my dear. So, what is Noel's job?
A baker.
A baker.
A baker.
Okay, that is correct. Okay. So, wait a minute. Okay. What else? Aside from a baker, what else he can do?
Mm,
Hmm. Later, he comes home and he wakes up the children. And then, what else he can do? Only a baker?
she works there too.
Okay. That's it. You. Okay, now for number 2. How many people live in Ranford's family?
Um,
That's
oh,
how many?
um, uh,
How many? Kan?
um, 5.
Huh? Only 5. Are you sure?
Um,
How many kan? Look at this one. Moroccan.
oh,
How many? This house is big.
21.
Yes, 21. Okay, it's 21 can. So they got how many children?
Um,
How many children they have?
19 children.
Yeah, 19 children. And then including them, since they are parents, so they have two parents, so it's total of 21. Okay, Kan?
Okay.
Now for task 3, what you will do here is find 7 of the housework activities below in the text in task 2. Okay? What are the
Okay.
7 housework activities in this task?
I don't.
Okay, so tell me, Kan, what are the household chores that you can find in the text? Tell me. Kan, tell me now. Tell me your answer.
She lost the dishwasher.
Dishwasher. Okay, wait a minute. Wash the dishes? Ay, dishwasher? Load the unload the dishwasher? Kan?
Um, yes.
Okay, 1. Which else? What else, Kan?
Go to supermarket.
Go to the supermarket. Okay, 2. What else? You still need
Uh,
to find 5.
mm, go cook dinner.
Huh?
Cook's dinner.
Next.
Um, evening. Ironing.
Hmm? What? Iron?
Ironing. Does the ironing.
Okay, so it's not here in the given phrase. So do the ironing. Yes, it mentioned here a while ago. Mm,
Clean the house.
okay, wait a minute. Clean the house. Let me
Does
find it
the
here in the text, okay? Because
does
you,
the washing.
huh?
Does the washing.
Does the washing? Yeah, that is correct. I still need to find the ironing, okay?
Um,
Oh, sorry. That is. Okay.
uh, set set the table.
Set the table. Ironing. Set the table. Is it a while ago? Where is it now? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Okay, one more. Kan, one more.
Um,
What else? There's a lot actually. Ah, goes to supermarket you mentioned. Here. What else, Kan?
um,
Did you mention takes the children to school a while ago? Did you mention that?
um,
Okay, Kan, let me help you since it's already time. Okay?
okay.
Loads the dishwashing, then cleans the house. You forgot this one. Does the washing. Supermarket, you did. Does the ironing. Cooks dinner. You mentioned that. The table, you mentioned this too. Okay? So all of
Okay.
these, all of the things that you mentioned are correct. Okay. Now, for task 4, this, so since it's already time, let us just continue this activity on our next class, okay, on Thursday. Do you have any question?
Now,
None so far. All right. So that would be all for tonight. Thank you so much for coming. Goodbye, Ken, and see you again on Thursday. Okay?
goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye. Good night, Ken.